Hey ladies, welcome back to Unique Beauty. I just want to show you some different problems. Scalp, like this lady, her hair follicles was very weak for some reason, and her scalp was itchy. Okay, so she came back after she used my treatment twice. She came. When I saw the scalp, then I know what she needs. Then I gave her postage treatment, then the hair cream for itchy and everything, and now she's fine. Her hair is going healthy. Okay, so sometimes when I don't see your hair live or something, it's hard for me to tell you exactly what you need. But when you send me a picture, I will send you what you need and everything. Okay, so when you have edges problem as well, this is the best way to massage. Okay, if you want to use any instrument to massage your edges, stop. Use your finger like that. Your edges doesn't meant to be touching all the time. Massage twice or 3 times per week. Okay, that's okay. This other lady as well, she came to us 3 times now, and her edges are fine because as you can see, she got healthy hair follicles. Her scalp look okay. It doesn't have no problem, so she doesn't need lot. We just gave her the cream. The third time she came now, I gave her the oil. I advised her to take this tablet as well so her hair follicles can be healthy. All right, so she's fine. This lady is our biggest problem right now because her hair follicles in the middle, it's closed. Okay, she came the first time. The second time we did the treatment, and I told her she needed the tablet because her hair was breaking out. Her hair, not the scalp, is not itchy. She doesn't have dandruff. It's just the hair follicles is very dry and bristle like that, something like that. Okay, but when she started taking the tablet, it's fine now. Her hair is growing healthy. The only problem now, it's the hair follicles, it's closed. Okay, so it's 5 months now since we're taking the tablet. The hair all over the edges, it's growing healthily, as you can see. All right, the contour I was doing before, with now we got a lot. I got a full video. I'm going to break everything down for her so that you people can understand, because I need to point these things out to you. When your hair follicles, it's closed, sometimes don't blame the treatment, and sometimes your scalp, you need the tablet. This is why when people come to me, if they want to buy my cream, if I know you need the tablet, you need other addition treatment, I don't sell my product to you. Okay, and that's why when you're far now, I give you the tablet by force. I have to give it to you because I can't see your scalp, so that way your hair can grow well. As you can see, this lady now, her hair, the hair follicles, it's closed in the middle. So now she's drinking like turmeric, ginger, garlic. She's boiling that and drinking. Let's see, a year, something might come up because she just started 5 months ago and she already see result. She gone to the professional everywhere. They haven't done anything. Some hairdressers turned her down, but we managed to do something for her like this. So now she even do control. She can leave her hair like that, which the scalp need. The scalp need fresh hair. It's very important. Just like this, after we control her, she can wear it to go out, which is really good for her. The day she came, I even did that for her. She went out like this, out of the shop. Let me give you a close-up what I mean with the hair follicles. It's closed, as you can see here. You can see how you don't see the holes anymore. The hair follicles, it's closed. So it's really hard for me. Okay, when you see your scalp being like this white, ladies, take action. Okay, this is why we give you guys the treatment. If you have itchy scalp, dandruff, your hair is shedding, we got everything. Your hair is too hard to comb, our cream will make it soft. I will give you all the breakdown you need if you put your order. Okay, my number is there. Just call me. I will help you. We'll help so many people. We just don't have time to catch up with everybody, but we'll help so much. Okay, and they always give us a thank. Look at this lady, healthy hair, happy.